You are a worthy opponent, and as such, this battle between us could continue for years to come. Or
what?
Or it could end today.
Why would you do that?
Because I'm nothing if not a good sport. And if I didn't, the game would end here.
Hiccup! Have you seen Hiccup?
Eagle gets our gold. Now this. I just think I should... What have they done to you?
My whole life hunting dragons, killing them, and I've come to respect them as equal. You taught me that.
Tell Stoic. He's the chief and he's your dad.
No. Like he said, the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few. Hank, you're missing a piece.
I am offering a truce with very generous terms. I am enjoying this. I'll give you a head start.
Good night, Astrid.
Go. I'll hold them off until you're out.
No, I'm not gonna leave you.
Hiccup, you're more ruthless than you realize. I know you will defeat Krogan and Johan.